Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to create anchor links on your Squarespace 7.1 website, both in the modern Fluid engine and inside your classic blog posts. Let's get right to it. Creating an anchor link in a standard Fluid engine section is now built right into the platform. First, open up your page editor and hover over the specific section you want your visitors to jump down to. Click Edit Section and scroll down the settings menu until you see the Anchor Link field. Type in a custom short name for your section, like Contact or Pricing. Squarespace handles the hashtag for you automatically. Hit Save in the top left corner of the editor. Now you need to point a link to that section. Highlight the text or click the button you want visitors to interact with and open the link editor. In the URL field, simply type a hashtag followed immediately by your custom name. Make sure you toggle off the option to open the link in a new tab and you're good to go. A quick pro tip, if you're linking to this section from an entirely different page or your main navigation menu, just make sure you type the full page slug right before the hashtag, so Squarespace knows exactly where to look. If you want to add an anchor link inside a blog post, the process is slightly different because blog posts still use the classic editor. Instead of a built-in field, you'll need to use a tiny bit of code. Hover over the area in your post where you want the jump link to land and add a code block. Delete the sample code inside the block and type a simple HTML tag. You'll type an open angle bracket, the letter A, a space, the letters ID, an equal sign, an open quote, your custom name, a close quote, a close angle bracket, and then the closing A tag. It's super simple and actually adds a nice natural space between sections. Exit the code block and save your changes. Finally, just like before, highlight the text you want visitors to click, open the link editor, toggle off the Open in a New tab, and type your hashtag followed by your exact custom name. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. See you in the next one.